Sweet and sour chicken. I'm going to show you how to make this takeaway favourite at home. Super simple, but mega tasty. I've got a wok here and I'm going to add some oil for frying the chicken. We need to turn that wok onto a medium to high heat. If you haven't got a wok, you can use a large frying pan instead. Whilst that oil's heating, we're going to coat the chicken. I've got a bowl here with cornflour in and another bowl with plain flour in. I'm going to add some salt, pepper, garlic salt and paprika to the plain flour and mix it together. And into the third bowl, I'm going to whisk 2 eggs. Now we're going to dredge the chicken in cornflour, then in egg, and then in the flour. And if we stick to the wet hand and the dry hand method, that'll stop the batter from becoming clumpy and messy. Keep going until all the chicken's coated. That oil's hot enough now, so we're going to carefully add the chicken and cook for about 6 to 7 minutes until nice and brown. Make sure you give it a turn a couple of times during cooking as well. Remove the chicken from the pan and place into a bowl. You can check the chicken's fully cooked by slicing into a piece and making sure it's no longer pink in the middle. Now that's done, we'll start cooking the vegetables and the sauce. So we start by adding an extra tablespoon of oil to the wok. We're going to add chopped white onion and red and green pepper for colour and crunch. Cook those for 2 to 3 minutes to soften slightly. Next in is the minced garlic and ginger. We only want to cook these for about a minute before adding in the rest of the ingredients. The sauce is made up of tomato ketchup, malt vinegar, dark brown sugar and tinned pineapple with juice. We're going to throw all that in the wok and mix it together. Bring it to the boil, then turn down the heat and let that simmer for about 4 to 5 minutes until the sauce thickens. Sauce is looking good, so we're going to add the chicken and stir that through to coat and heat that chicken back through again. I'm serving mine with boiled rice and a sprinkling of sesame seeds. If you like sweet and sour chicken, you're going to love this. It's proper sweet and sour chicken. I guarantee this is going to disappear.